guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are in secret place, secret location. We have KK here, Captain Wholesome back after a long time on my channel.
Hey, drop this in the group.
Yeah, definitely.
Drop this in the
YouTube link आएगा. Whoa, legendary. Sense makes everything. Everything makes sense. Really nice. Cute. So we are back at Under 25 HQ, and this is not the Indiranagar one like the Kormangla one, but this is more like a meetup, more like a reunion. If you remember, I was part of Student Creator Fellowship, so this is more like a alumni meetup. Yo, good ball.
Yeah, bro.
Oh! Anxiety King. I want that jacket. Hi Adi.
Hello, sir. So we have like mics now. वो महंगा और क्यों लाया? सबको दिखाने के लिए कि हमारे पास Excuse me.
It's not like I don't know any of these. But just be weird. Hi.
I don't want the sticker because I don't want you all to write. I want you all to talk today. Let's just talk. So I want you all to, like introduce yourself. I mean, not like we all don't know each other, but do it again with a middle name.
Oh, I got it. I know my name.
Yeah. Yeah, Subi, what's your middle name?
So my middle name is Surbi Shadesy Baldeva. It's not was shady. It's because I have a lot of cultural shades. So it's Shadesy.
भाई सब कितने बड़े हो गए यही बस यंग हुए आप I'm back.
This month is going to be 2 years in Bangalore.
Oh!
And it's also like a full circle. Just like we started SCF from here and then I'm sitting here. So a lot of things have happened in the past 2 years. That's why I grown up.
ये कब आया?
I don't know how to say happy or sad boy at this point. It started. Okay, let's just keep it at happy. Manasri Happy Rao from the 2022 batch of SCF. Happy to be back here. Sad because I'm a corporate slave now.
Very happy.
I'm working in a company called as Delta X. I'm working as a business operations analyst. So, a lot.
I'm Punya, and I think my middle name would be Figuring It Out because I just graduated and I'm figuring out this life thing. So, yeah.
My name would be Divya Self-Sabotage Vivekanandan. That's my full actual name. Yeah.
Finally, guys, she said her name. I've never seen her call it out on the internet, but it's
Are
okay.
you going to out me now?
Maybe.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. What else do I say?
How is life? What do you do now?
I'm now a social media manager, a content creator, lawyer.
Lawyer also. Social lawyer.
And I studied to be for 5 years. I should at least count for something. 5 years of my life I've done.
and I'm from a batch that is ancient. I think that was the first creative program that you guys had in COVID.
Yeah.
It was during COVID. At least yours was like in real life, but ours was in COVID. It was called Chiller Student.
Oh my god.
IQ. Yeah.
By the way, I'm Tejasvi Deva. So you can call me Tej Drone Deva because I'm more into drones and all these kind of films kind of things happening around. Quite a while right now. It's been a very long journey. I started from Snapchat Spotlight program.
I did that also.
Yeah.
Snapchat, you love Snapchat, no?
Yes, so we all started from Snapchat, came to SCF, then being a hustler, short videos for 125 studios. Yeah, and now right now working for major films, and I'm working in a marketing agency right now. It's called Board and Beyond. So I'm the senior lead cinematographer.
As a Marmlin, middle name would be Risk, Marmlin Risk Prahad, because I came to Bangalore with no job, and I don't know what mind I was in, but it was the right decision I made. Like I had a roommate, didn't know I was gonna pay rent, how I'm gonna eat for the next month. I had enough money for 1 month, and I got a job. Then I wrote a script, then I quit that job. Now I'm earning more than my job. And I'm just here to make my movie and go back to Chennai. And I just been taking a lot of risk. I don't know where it's gonna take me, but yeah, I just keep believing. And I remember the first time when I joined SCF, and he told me like, bro, make short form content. I just made a whole short film for him, like 5 minutes.
Wow.
And yeah.
Welcome to Bangalore, by the way.
Welcome to Bangalore. Hey, I'm a fan of your content. I mean,
I like Rapido content.
oh, Rapido, bro.
Today somebody asked me who was today I was like, please listen now. Sorry. I was making the list so that I was telling somebody, like I was not able to tell his name because there's two Adityas.
Hey Adi. Yes. Aditya.
Yes. Two Adityas.
Aditya Pandey.
Do I need an introduction?
No, don't introduce. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Next.
I would be Aditya Versatile Pandey because the only word everyone used to tell me during the SCF days was you are the most versatile creator here. कुछ भी काम कर सकते हो. Mainly AJ gave me that name. Yeah, I basically grew my page from 1300 to 100k in 8 days.
I think it's 3 years, not 8 days.
Yeah.
Happened in 8.
मतलब 0 to 1300 in 3 years and 1300 to 100 in 8 days. Let's just say that. I started
Basically, let's firstly acknowledge that.
If you're gonna be asking what my middle name is, वो तो simple है. That is adventure. Because adventure तभी होता है जब तुम्हारे में एक never give up attitude रहता है. And I have been doing this YouTube, this content creation since 2016. And तब से अब तक, मेरा YouTube channel hack हो चुका है एक बार. And मेरा Instagram remove हो चुका है after reaching 2000 followers. But I've made another one from scratch and I'm back at 1k again. And I'll always keep on doing no matter how many times I fall, because that's what heroes do, I guess. That's all I have to show in this video. I'll catch you up next time, and for more videos like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. So peace.